Hello, it's Matt and this is Collaboration Coach. This time we're going to look at how to create a poll in Outlook. This feature allows you to ask a question, send it by email and receive feedback from the recipients. The poll and the responses are all stored in Microsoft Forms. The first thing you need to do is create a new email. You can do this from Outlook or Outlook on the web. From Outlook, just choose New Email and in the message window, go to the Insert tab and press Poll. In Outlook on the web, you open a new message and then you come down to the bottom of the message window to this ellipsis and then you choose Poll from that menu. Whichever way you do it, you'll see a poll window added to the right hand side of your message. All you need to do is add your question. You can only add one, so choose wisely. And then add your answers. There are 2 here, but you can add more by pressing the Add Option button. If you want to let your responders choose more than one option, then toggle Multiple Answers to On. When your poll's ready, just press the Add Poll to Email button, and that will add a link to the poll in your email. This is just a placeholder for the poll. It's not what the recipient will actually see, as we'll see later. Then address your message to whoever you want to poll, write your message, and then send it. When the recipient receives the email, they'll see the poll embedded in the message. They can choose their options and then press Vote. That will take them to the results page where they can see how everybody else voted. Or they can just choose the View Results button and see the results before they vote. Once you've sent the poll, you can track how everybody is responding in Microsoft Forms. From the app launcher, choose Microsoft Forms, and on the homepage you'll see a form for every poll you created. On the poll tile, you'll see how many people have responded already. And if I open up this poll here, you can see the question I asked and also notice that the form is read-only. So it can't be changed once it's been created in Outlook. But I can go to the Responses tab and see the results. I'll see the number of responses and a graph showing me how people voted. And if I choose the More Details link here, I can see a list of all the people who voted and how they answered. I can also choose the View Results button and see a more detailed view of the same data. And I can even export the results to Excel. If I wanted to share this poll to a wider audience, I can press the Share button here and choose to copy a link to the form. Then I can share that link any way I like. So that's how you create a poll with Outlook and Outlook on the web. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.